Malbek CLM Online Training. Introduction to Malbek CLM, an overview of Contract Life Cycle Management. Contract Life Cycle Management, CLM, refers to the process of managing contracts from initiation through execution and beyond, ensuring compliance, minimizing risk, and driving efficiency in contract-related processes. Malbek CLM is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and automate these processes, empowering businesses to handle contracts effectively throughout their life cycle. 1. What is Malbek CLM? Malbek CLM is a cloud-based contract life cycle management platform that helps businesses manage the entire contract life cycle. It provides a suite of tools for contract creation, negotiation, execution, and post-signature management. Malbek CLM automates workflows, provides actionable insights, and ensures compliance, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors in contract management. 2 key features of Malbek CLM. Contract creation. Malbek CLM enables users to create contracts quickly using templates and pre-approved clauses. The platform provides an intuitive interface that simplifies the contract drafting process. Collaboration and negotiation. The platform facilitates collaboration between internal and external stakeholders, allowing for real-time edits and comments. This ensures smoother negotiation and approval workflows. Automated workflows. Malbek CLM automates repetitive tasks such as approvals, reminders, and notifications, reducing bottlenecks and ensuring that deadlines are met. Version control. The platform maintains a clear audit trail and version history, ensuring that users can track all changes and decisions made during the life cycle of a contract. Contract repository. Malbek CLM provides a centralized contract repository where all contracts can be securely stored, making it easy to search, retrieve, and manage contracts at any stage. Risk management and compliance. With integrated compliance checks and risk mitigation tools, Malbek CLM helps ensure that contracts align with organizational policies and legal requirements. Advanced analytics and reporting. Malbek CLM includes robust analytics tools that provide visibility into contract performance, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. It also allows for customizable reporting to track KPIs and other key metrics. 3 benefits of Malbek CLM. Improved efficiency. By automating many aspects of the contract management process, Malbek CLM reduces the time spent on manual tasks, allowing teams to focus on more strategic activities. Enhanced collaboration. The platform enables better communication between stakeholders by offering a shared workspace for contract drafting, review, and negotiation. Reduced risk. With features like compliance tracking, automated approvals, and audit trails, Malbek CLM helps reduce the risk of non-compliance and contractual disputes. Cost savings. By improving contract turnaround times, reducing errors, and enhancing visibility, Malbek CLM can lead to significant cost savings across the organization. Scalability. Malbek CLM is designed to scale with your business, adapting to growing contract volumes and evolving business needs. Streamlining contract creation with Malbek CLM. Malbek CLM, Contract Life Cycle Management, is a robust platform that streamlines the creation, management, and execution of contracts. By utilizing advanced automation, analytics, and user-friendly workflows, Malbek helps organizations improve efficiency, mitigate risks, and maintain compliance throughout the entire contract life cycle. Here's how Malbek CLM streamlines contract creation. 1. Template library. Malbek offers a library of pre-approved contract templates that ensure consistency across contracts. These templates are customizable, so legal teams can create tailored contracts quickly without starting from scratch. 2. Clause management. Users can leverage a clause library with pre-approved terms and conditions that are compliant with company policies and legal requirements. This eliminates the need to re-enter standard clauses, reducing errors and speeding up contract drafting. 3. Automated workflows. Malbek automates contract workflows, including approval processes and notifications. Once a contract is created, it is automatically routed to the appropriate stakeholders for review and approval, reducing delays caused by manual handoffs and errors. 4. Collaboration tools. Malbek's platform allows teams to collaborate in real time on contract creation and negotiation. Stakeholders can leave comments, track changes, and review documents collaboratively, ensuring everyone is on the same page. 5. E-signature integration. Malbek integrates with e-signature solutions like DocuSign, enabling the seamless signing of contracts without the need for physical meetings. Contracts can be signed electronically, speeding up the execution process and improving the customer experience. 6. Version control. The platform offers version control to ensure that all changes to contracts are tracked and managed. Users can see the history of a contract and easily revert to previous versions, ensuring that no critical changes are lost. 7. Contract approval and negotiation tools. Malbek provides tools for managing approvals and contract negotiations. Workflow automation ensures contracts move through the approval pipeline efficiently, while real-time updates provide transparency and reduce bottlenecks. 8. Analytics and reporting. With Malbek, businesses can analyze contract data to gain insights into contract performance, trends, and risks. This allows for better decision-making, such as identifying potential renegotiation opportunities or compliance issues before they arise. 9. Compliance and risk management. The platform ensures that all contracts are compliant with legal, regulatory, and company policies. It includes automated alerts for renewals and expiration dates, minimizing the risk of missing critical deadlines. 10. Integration with other systems. Malbek integrates seamlessly with CRM, ERP, and other enterprise systems, ensuring that contract data flows smoothly across the organization. This integration reduces duplicate data entry and ensures that contract information is always up to date. Collaboration and workflow automation in Malbek CLM. Malbek CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management, offers robust features for collaboration and workflow automation, aimed at improving contract management efficiency, compliance, and visibility throughout an organization. Here's a deeper dive into these features. Collaboration in Malbek CLM. Real-time collaboration. Malbek CLM allows multiple stakeholders, including legal teams, procurement departments, and business units, to collaborate in real time on contract drafts and revisions. Users can leave comments, track changes, and request clarifications, fostering a more efficient and transparent contract negotiation process. Centralized Document Repository. All documents related to contracts, example, drafts, amendments, negotiations, are stored in a centralized location. This provides all stakeholders with immediate access to the latest version of the contract, avoiding the confusion of outdated or conflicting document versions. Version control and audit trails. Malbek CLM maintains a comprehensive version control system, so teams can track every change made to a contract over time. The audit trail ensures transparency by recording who made each change and when, which is crucial for compliance and accountability. Notifications and alerts. The system can send automated notifications to relevant team members regarding contract milestones, upcoming deadlines, or actions required, ensuring that no tasks are missed and improving collaboration across departments. Role-based permissions. Malbek CLM supports fine-grained control over permissions. Teams can work together without risking data exposure, as users are granted different levels of access based on their roles, such as view-only, editing, or approval access. Workflow automation in Malbek CLM. Automated approval workflows. Contracts can be routed through predefined workflows for approval, reducing manual oversight. Approvals are automatically escalated based on rules such as role hierarchy, contract value, or type of agreement. This ensures that contracts are reviewed by the appropriate parties in a timely manner, helping to streamline the approval process. Contract life cycle automation. Malbek CLM automates the various stages of the contract life cycle, from creation and negotiation to execution and renewal. For instance, when a contract is created, it can trigger tasks for required approvals, sign-offs, and finalization without manual intervention. Alerts and reminders for key dates, such as renewal or expiration, can be sent automatically to avoid contract lapses. Template-driven contract generation. Malbek CLM offers automated contract generation using predefined templates and clause libraries. This speeds up the creation process, ensuring consistency across contracts and reducing human error. Users can easily select the appropriate clauses, terms, and conditions based on the contract type, minimizing negotiation delays. Compliance and risk management automation. The platform includes automated checks for compliance with predefined policies or legal regulations. If a contract draft doesn't meet compliance standards, it can be flagged for review. This ensures that contracts are aligned with legal or business requirements, reducing risks associated with non-compliance. Contract review and approval process in Malbek CLM. The contract review and approval process in Malbek Contract Life Cycle Management (CLM) is designed to streamline the contract life cycle, ensuring faster, more accurate contract creation, review, and approval. Below is an expanded overview of the key steps typically involved in this process. 1. Contract drafting. Initiation. The process begins when a contract is initiated in Malbek CLM. This can happen through user input or via integration with other systems, example CRM, ERP. Template selection. Users can select from pre-approved contract templates to ensure consistency and compliance with internal policies. Clause library. Mulbake CLM allows users to leverage a clause library to quickly insert standardized clauses that align with the organization's contractual requirements. 2. Collaboration and internal review. Real-time collaboration. Once the contract draft is created, team members and stakeholders can collaborate in real time within the platform. They can review the document, leave comments, and make revisions directly within the contract itself. Version control. Mulbake tracks all revisions and provides version control to ensure that all changes are captured and the final document reflects all required amendments. Notifications and alerts. Automated notifications keep stakeholders informed of any changes, comments, or pending actions in the contract. 3. Approval workflow. Customizable approval workflows. Mulbake CLM offers customizable workflows to ensure contracts are routed to the appropriate stakeholders for approval. These workflows can be designed based on specific requirements such as contract value, type, or department. Sequential or parallel approvals. Depending on the approval process, contracts can be routed through a sequential workflow or parallel approval steps, allowing for flexibility. Automated routing. Once a contract draft is ready, the system automatically routes it to the relevant approvers, ensuring that the right people are involved at the right time. Conditional approvals. Some contracts may require conditional approvals based on specific parameters or thresholds, which can be set up within Mulbake's approval process. 4. Compliance and risk assessment. Compliance checks. The platform can perform automated compliance checks to ensure that the contract meets legal, regulatory, and internal policy requirements. Risk management. Mulbake helps identify and assess potential risks within the contract. This could involve reviewing terms for liabilities, penalties, and other risk-related clauses, ensuring that potential issues are flagged early in the process. 5. E-signature and final approval. Digital signatures. Once all necessary approvals are obtained, the contract can be sent for digital signature via integrated e-signature solutions like DocuSign, Adobe Sign, etc. Final approval. After signatures are obtained, Mulbake ensures that the contract is marked as fully approved and ready for execution. 6. Audit and reporting. Audit trail. Mulbake CLM provides a complete audit trail for the contract, documenting every action taken during the review and approval process, example revisions, comments, approvals, and signatures. Risk management and compliance with Mulbake CLM. Mulbake CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management, provides tools that assist organizations in managing contracts throughout their entire life cycle, from creation to renewal or expiration. Risk management and compliance are key components of effective contract management, and Mulbake CLM offers several features and capabilities to support both. 1. Risk identification and mitigation. Risk assessment tools. Mulbake CLM helps identify potential risks by analyzing contract clauses and terms. By setting predefined risk parameters, the system can flag terms that might lead to unfavorable outcomes, such as penalties, unbalanced indemnity clauses, or compliance violations. Automated alerts and notifications. The system can notify users about important contract milestones, such as renewal dates or deadlines for compliance-related tasks, ensuring that risks related to missed timelines are mitigated. Customizable risk indicators. Mulbake CLM allows users to define risk indicators based on the nature of the contract, helping to assess the level of risk associated with each contract and guiding the user to address issues proactively. 2. Compliance management. Compliance tracking. Mulbake CLM enables organizations to track and ensure compliance with internal policies, regulatory requirements, and industry standards. This includes monitoring contract terms related to data privacy laws, such as GDPR, environmental regulations, or industry-specific standards. Audit trails. Comprehensive logging and version control provide a full audit trail, ensuring that all contract-related activities are recorded and transparent. This is particularly important for demonstrating compliance during internal or external audits. Regulatory change management. As regulations change, Mulbake CLM can assist with adapting contract templates and clauses to remain compliant. The system can be set up to automatically update templates or notify stakeholders about necessary contract revisions based on evolving compliance standards. 3. Contract visibility and control. Centralized repository. By storing all contracts in a centralized, easily accessible repository, Mulbake CLM enhances transparency, allowing legal and compliance teams to review contracts at any time to ensure they are adhering to regulations. Contract clause library. Users can create a library of pre-approved contract clauses that align with regulatory and compliance requirements. This standardization ensures consistency and reduces the risk of non-compliant language being used in contracts. Custom approval workflows. To ensure that compliance is maintained, Mulbake CLM supports customizable approval workflows. These workflows ensure that contracts are reviewed by the appropriate teams, legal, compliance, finance, before final approval and signing. 4. Analytics and reporting. Compliance dashboards. Mulbake CLM provides real-time dashboards that track compliance metrics, enabling users to monitor how well the organization is adhering to its contractual obligations and regulatory requirements. Risk and compliance reports. Detailed reports can be generated on risk and compliance metrics, such as outstanding renewals, breached obligations, or contracts lacking necessary approvals. These reports help inform decision-making and allow organizations to quickly address any compliance gaps or emerging risks. 5. Collaboration and stakeholder management. Internal collaboration. Mulbake CLM facilitates collaboration between legal, finance, and procurement teams, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned on contract terms, compliance obligations, and risk mitigation strategies. Supplier and vendor management. The platform supports the management of vendor contracts, ensuring that terms are aligned with compliance standards and risk mitigation strategies. It can also flag contracts that are approaching renewal or have terms that require renegotiation to maintain compliance. 6. Data security and privacy compliance. Document encryption. Mulbake CLM ensures that all contract data is encrypted both in transit and at rest, meeting security standards for data protection and privacy regulations. Integrating Malbek CLM with other business systems. Integrating Malbek CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management, with other business systems can significantly streamline workflows, improve data accuracy, and enhance visibility across an organization's processes. Here's an expanded view of how Malbek CLM can be integrated with other key business systems. 1. Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems. Purpose: ERPs such as SAP, Oracle ERP, and Microsoft Dynamics manage core business functions like finance, procurement, and inventory. Integration benefits: automates the flow of contract data to ERP systems for seamless invoicing, billing, and payment processing. Ensures that contract terms are reflected in procurement processes, including purchase orders and vendor management. Facilitates better alignment between contract terms and financial records, reducing discrepancies. Example integration: Malbek CLM can push approved contract terms to the ERP system for automatic updates in vendor and procurement systems, helping to trigger payments or set up recurring billing schedules. 2. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) systems. Purpose: CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot are essential for managing customer relationships and sales pipelines. Integration benefits: automates the creation of contracts from sales opportunities and proposals, directly transferring customer and deal details into the contract. Reduces errors by ensuring that terms in the CRM are aligned with the final contracts. Enables sales teams to access contracts and amendments directly from the CRM system, improving their ability to track and manage customer engagements. Example integration: Malbek CLM can integrate with Salesforce to automatically generate a contract when an opportunity is closed, population the contract with customer data and agreed upon terms. 3. Document Management Systems (DMS). Purpose: document management systems like SharePoint, Box, or Google Drive store, manage, and track documents. Integration benefits: allows for centralized storage and retrieval of all contract documents, ensuring compliance and accessibility. Provides version control and auditing capabilities so that all changes to a contract are tracked and accessible for review. Enables automatic storage of contract templates, approved contracts, and amendments in a shared repository. Example integration: integration with SharePoint or Google Drive can help ensure that finalized contracts in Malbek CLM are automatically stored in the DMS for easy reference by legal or compliance teams. 4. Procurement and sourcing systems. Purpose: procurement platforms like Ariba or Coupa help manage sourcing, purchasing, and supplier contracts. Integration benefits: contracts are automatically synchronized with procurement systems to trigger actions such as supplier onboarding or the release of purchase orders. Improves visibility into supplier contracts and their terms, ensuring compliance with procurement processes. Data analytics and reporting features in Malbek CLM. Malbek CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management, offers robust data analytics and reporting features designed to enhance the visibility and effectiveness of contract management processes. These features help businesses make data-driven decisions, improve compliance, and optimize contract performance. Here's an expanded look at the key data analytics and reporting capabilities in Malbek CLM. 1. Contract Analytics. Clause and language analysis. Malbek CLM provides deep insights into contract language by automatically extracting and analyzing clauses across the contract portfolio. This allows users to track standardization, identify deviations, and ensure consistency. Risk identification. By analyzing contract terms, Malbek can identify potential risks and compliance issues early in the life cycle, allowing businesses to proactively manage risk. Contract compliance. Users can analyze how well contracts adhere to regulatory or internal policies, providing insights into areas where the organization might be exposed to compliance risks. 2. Customizable reporting. Real-time dashboards. Malbek offers customizable, real-time dashboards that can track key performance indicators, KPIs, contract milestones, renewal dates, and other critical metrics. Pre-built reports. The platform comes with a variety of pre-built reports covering common use cases such as contract status, vendor performance, contract value, and timelines. Dynamic filters. Users can filter data based on various parameters such as contract types, parties involved, and date ranges to create tailored reports that meet specific business needs. 3. Data visualizations. Graphs and charts. Malbek CLM provides intuitive data visualizations, including bar charts, pie charts, and trend lines, making it easier to understand complex contract data and trends at a glance. Contract analytics visualization. Visual tools help in understanding the distribution of contract terms, performance metrics, and life cycle stages across your entire portfolio. Interactive dashboards. Users can drill down into specific areas of interest, allowing them to interact with data and uncover insights more easily. 4. Contract performance monitoring. Key metrics tracking. Malbek CLM enables businesses to track important metrics like contract execution times, renewal rates, and compliance levels, offering insights into the overall performance of contracts. Performance benchmarking. Users can benchmark contract performance against industry standards or historical data to evaluate whether their contracts are performing optimally. 5. Contract Life Cycle Insights. Life Cycle Analytics. Track each stage of the contract life cycle from creation to execution, amendment, renewal, and expiration. Malbek helps businesses monitor the efficiency of their contract processes and identify areas for improvement. Time to value analytics. Measure how long it takes to close contracts and identify bottlenecks in the workflow, providing actionable insights for streamlining processes. Why choose ProExcellency for Malbek CLM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Malbek CLM, Contract Life Cycle Management, online training can offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs instructors with extensive experience in both Malbek CLM and contract management, ensuring that you receive in-depth and practical insights during training. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are designed to cover all aspects of Malbek CLM, from the basics to advanced features, ensuring that learners at all levels can benefit. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency may provide hands-on, real-world applications to help you understand the use cases of Malbek CLM, allowing you to practice the skills learned and apply them to actual business scenarios. Flexible online training. With ProExcellency's online training format, you can attend courses from anywhere, giving you flexibility in terms of location and time. Certification preparation. ProExcellency might also offer support for Malbek CLM certification, helping you to prepare for exams and gain recognized credentials. Customer support. You are likely to receive ongoing support, including access to resources and forums to resolve doubts even after completing the training. Reputation. ProExcellency may have a solid track record with positive feedback from previous trainees, ensuring a high-quality learning experience. Thank you.